Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. In this video, we will learn about CSS introduction and what is the purpose of CSS and how to use that in our HTML content. So I have explained all about HTML and all the different types of elements and all the different types of approaches whatever we can use in our HTML. I have explained completely in my previous videos. Please watch that for better understanding. And CSS is also one of the part where it makes our HTML content very beautiful and attractive. So let's try to understand what exactly the CSS is. So here CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it always provides a attractive visualization for the HTML elements, where HTML provides a structure for our web page, whereas CSS provides an attractive visualization by adding some set of styles to that particular HTML content. And that's how our web page will be looking more attractive. And also CSS syntax will look like a key pair values. That means you will have a key and a value, and that will apply on a particular element with some set of standardized rules and standardized semantics for that particular HTML. So let's understand what are the advantages of using this CSS. So this CSS, as I mentioned, we can use for styling a web page and also responsive web design. For example, the browsers, whatever we are using, we can use on different types of sizes of desktops, different type of sizes of monitors. For example, you can see on a large monitor, you can see on a mini Mac, or you can see on a Windows, or you can see on a mobile with an Android or Safari or Chrome. Like that we will be using different places, so it has to be very compatible with the size of the page where you are using it. For example, if you are using a mobile, you cannot see a very big screen. In that case, how to make that design and how to make that responsive? So that is about your responsive design, and that can be achieved by using CSS. And we can also add some set of animations and transitions by using CSS. So sometimes you will be having a timer where you will be showing the timer for every second, it will be glitching here and there. So that type of animations, and also whenever you are opening a website, you will be seeing some sort of carousel where you can see the slides over there, and that also can be happened by using animations. Like that we can apply some set of animations to our web page by using CSS. These are the some set of advantages of using CSS. And how to implement this CSS in our HTML. So to use this CSS, we have three methods to use it. First thing is inline styles, where you will apply your styles on a particular element itself. And the second thing is you can use, so ways of using the CSS. We can apply CSS in three ways. One is inline styles. That means you can apply your styles on a particular element itself. And there is something called as internal styles. That means you can apply some set of styles by using a style tag. And also if you want to maintain an external CSS file, you can maintain that external CSS file by creating your file with .css extension. So by using this extension, we browser or any of the editor will identify this is a CSS file, and that's how you can create a file with a CSS, and you can link that external CSS into your HTML element, HTML page. So that all these three approaches we will see in the upcoming video. Stay tuned for all these understandings. And that's it about this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.